This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pho in an instant pot. First, let's prepare the foundational broth. You'll want to char 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger until fragrant. Next, toast about 2 tablespoons of whole spices, including star anise, cloves, and a cinnamon stick. Blanch 3 pounds of beef bones for 10 minutes to ensure a clean, clear broth. Combine these with 12 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of fish sauce in your instant pot. Now let's get that rich flavor locked in. After adding all your prepared ingredients, secure the lid on your instant pot. Set it to high pressure for 60 minutes. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow a natural pressure release for 15 minutes. This helps tenderize the bones and deepen the broth's taste. Then, carefully manually release any remaining pressure. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids, and skim off any excess fat. With your flavorful broth ready, it's time to assemble your delicious pho bowl. First, thinly slice about 8 ounces of raw beef, like sirloin or eye of round. Cook 8 ounces of dried rice noodles until they are perfectly al dente, usually for about 3 to 5 minutes. Arrange the cooked noodles, raw beef, and fresh herbs such as cilantro and basil in a large serving bowl. Finally, ladle the piping hot broth over everything, cooking the beef instantly. Your homemade instant pot pho is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while the broth is still steaming hot. Offer a generous array of garnishes on the side. These typically include fresh bean sprouts, crisp cilantro, fragrant basil leaves, and zesty lime wedges. For those who enjoy a little extra kick, provide thinly sliced jalapenos, hoisin sauce, and sriracha. Customize your bowl to your liking and savor every spoonful of this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.